You can speed up the process and have healthier and more growing hair by just following some tips that I will talk about today. Here are some simple hair growth tips. First, have a healthy and balanced diet. Trim your hair regularly. Don't wash or brush your hair too often. Lower your stress levels. Drink plenty of water. Use supplementation and massage your scalp whenever you can. Here are some foods that you can add to your diet that can help with hair growth as well. Spinach, berries, avocados, fatty fish like salmon, some nuts, beans, and meat. Let's discuss the Forever Living products that you can use for hair growth. First, Forever Aloe Vera Gel. You can drink 30 to 60 milliliters 2 to 4 times per day, as it contains so many vitamins and minerals that will help hair growth. Second, Nature Min. This product contains a very high amount of iron, and iron is linked directly for hair growth and just to have healthier hair in general. You can have 6 tablets per day as a dietary supplement. Third, the Forever Daily. Forever Daily also contains so many vitamins and minerals like zinc, magnesium, iron that are linked directly to hair growth as well, and you can have 2 tablets per day of the Forever Daily. You can also have the Royal Jelly. Royal Jelly contains some B vitamins as well as very good nutrients from the queen bee's food, and you can have 2 tablets per day as a dietary supplement. You can also use the Jojoba shampoo and conditioner, as the Jojoba is perfect for all skin type and hair type as well, so it will strengthen your roots and give your hair a shine. So you will use it whenever you're in the shower, whenever your hair is wet, you just put the shampoo and then rinse and then apply the conditioner. You can also apply the aloe jelly on your hair, on your scalp, if you have dry scalp. So you just put it and you massage your scalp with it. Usually you can put it 1 hour before shower, or you can put it overnight and then shower the next morning. Same for the alpha E factor. You can put few drops on your fingers and massage your scalp with it 1 hour before shower, or also just leave it overnight and then shower the next morning. And lastly, you can use the aloe first, and by that you can spray it on your hair to moisturize your scalp. So I just want to let you know that you don't need to use all these products. You can just choose some of them and you will definitely find better results. I am Linda Nutritionist. I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.